Hey, to perform ear tip fit test for CMF Buds Pro 2, first of all you will have to input both earbuds inside your ears. When you do this you will hear notification, the beeping sound. Then you will have to open Nothing X application, click on the settings icon in the right upper corner and select ear tip fit test. Now click to start test. We don't have to remove our earbuds doing this test. Just keep your head steady, do not move. And as you can see, we have to adjust both the left and the right earbud fit, or try another ear tip size. So I'm gonna actually change the fit of my left and the right earbud. I'm gonna actually put them a little bit deeper inside my ears, and let's try to do this one more time. Okay, and as you can see, the fit for the right one it's fine, but on the left one I should actually change the ear tip. This is actually the recommendation from the buds. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.